welding and cutting and cleaning and Welding cleaning, and all in one compact machine. Yes, that's true. Now, you don't have to be an expert welder to weld perfectly. Watch this video to the end and to find out why. Hey guys, this is Wattsan and Anli. Let's get it started. Gun. So, the Wattsan 4-in-1. What's so cool about it? First of all, the real-fire gun is economic and lightweight. The Wattsan 3-in-1 version had a different gun that weighed over a kilo. But we know how hard it is to hold it for long periods of time and in uncomfortable positions. So our engineers choose the new and improved model of the real-fire gun for this machine. Now it weighs as much as a 0.7-liter bottle of water. There are mirrors in the gun. Wattsan 4-in-1 has 1 or 2 mirrors. What is the difference between them? Cleaning with 1 mirror is carried out with a horizontal path. The pattern does not change. Laser devices with 2 mirrors give more options in the choice of mode, allowing the beam doesn't linger in one place for a long time. Dual mirror welding also gives you access to different types of welds, so you can use the most appropriate one for each case. Basically, the movement of the laser imitates the hand movements of an experienced welder. Only with a laser is enough to guide the gun evenly, and you don't have to work long and hard to get a good weld. Our engineers have also increased the length of the fiber optic cables to 30 meters. This is to make cleaning the most remote and hard-to-reach places even more convenient. Interface. Now, let's take a look at the interface unit. Even a beginner can quickly get to grips with it. There are buttons for switching the machine on and off and emergency stop. The display for settings is electronic. You can control configurations, save parameter combinations. There are also preset welding parameters prompts for the machine operator to select modes. Units. Let's take a look at what's inside the machine. The electrics are from Siemens. Either a Ruckus or GPT laser source can be selected. You may ask why we emphasize brands at all. It's because we at Wattsan believe that choosing the right original equipment manufacturer has a direct impact on the longevity and quality of your machine. And that's where we come in. Functions. So, let's get to what our multifunctional machine is capable of. Its functions. Welding. Let's start with laser welding. It's batter-free. Smoke and noise are negligible. The seam is smooth and free of defects. You don't need consumables and from post-processing. Sometimes you need only sanding and polishing. You can also weld with filler wire on the Wattsan 4-in-1. This can be a lifesaver if you need to weld parts with poor fit. Cutting. The next feature on this model is laser cutting. The Wattsan 4-in-1 cuts 5 times faster than traditional tools such as bolt cutter or saw. It cuts metals up to 3 millimeters perfectly. The cut is smooth and no past processing is needed. Cleaning. Now about laser cleaning. It's no contact. It removes any kind of both organic and inorganic dirt, even in the most hard-to-reach places. Welding cleaning. The unique force function of this model is Welding cleaning. What is so unique about it? The main reason why this is a separate feature is ease of use. To use laser cleaning, you have to swipe the welding module for the cleaning one. It doesn't take much time, but it still takes a while. There, you have to unscrew the hexes and change the module themselves. And to clean the weld, it is enough just to change the nozzle, not the whole module. You can do it in 30 seconds. This model can be used to weld clean signs of rust, fuel, soot, scratch marks, oxide, and microparticles of slag. Speaking of which, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss of our detailed illustrative video on the different types of welds. The Wattsan 5-in-1 model has the fifth function. Write the number 5 in the comments if you want to see a review of this model and find out what mode it is. Who needs it? In general, if you don't have the ability and design to buy and maintain a lot of different equipment, this machine is for you. Also consider it if your business is welding dissimilar metals with high reflectivity, aluminum, copper, or if you often work with stainless steel and mild steel. As a matter of fact, Wattsan 4-in-1 is quite popular with customers. We sell about a dozen pieces every month. And it's no wonder you don't need a welder's education or special courses to use it. Nor do you need consumables to work on this machine. It is quite easy to maintain. As for consumables, you need safety glasses or filling wire. Areas of application. As for the spheres of application, this equipment can be used in many industries, such as machine building, defense industry, and many others. But it's most in demand in the automotive industry because it allows you to solve many tasks with one device. Remove contaminants, weld some parts, clean seams, etc. That's all for today. If you have any questions regarding this or other Wattsan machines, please don't hesitate to contact us. All info is in the descriptions of this video. Put a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification so you don't miss any of our helpful videos. This was Wattsan and my name is Anli. See you in the next video.